Kajal, you can start now.
Okay, okay. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Kajal, you are audible.
Okay. A very good evening to all present here. I, Kajol Khatnani,
And I am Malini Pandya, would like to welcome you all for Social Glory, present by Umid Club. On behalf of Department of Public Policy and Governance, BK School of Professional Management under umbrella of Gujarat University.
as you all know, as you all have one question in your mind that what is social glory and what is Ummid Club? So, Ummid Club is a social club of DPPG. The motto of this club is to create awareness of the society to provide the better environment for the suffering people. So here comes social glory. Social glory means sharing experience of any social work which was done in past or will to do in future, like tree plantation, saving water, helping poor people, taking vaccine or any social issue. So we had been collected some videos and photos.
Stay tuned with us to watch inspiring videos and photos of social work. Apart from this, anyone from audience can share their experience of work on social issues. Now, I would like to request Sakshi to present the videos and photos with us.
अरे अरे मनसा है तो करा फोटो नहीं फोटो नहीं फोटो बिल्कुल भी नहीं लेता बस नहीं ऐसे
This video tell about the taking initiative by Krina that teach poor people or needy students and sharing the education. Krina, would you like to share some lights on it?
Krina, are you here?
Okay. Anyone from audience would like to give some light in this video? They can go ahead.
Yeah, I think she's taking care about the poor people who are not able to pay the fees. So she's teaching them and she's guiding the people on their own way that so they can get the better education and they can be more capable to in their life. So that would be the message we can see that.
Yes, very well said by Amit sir. Yes. Next video, please, Sakshi.
So during this time, we can say that during the coronavirus, we have to make our immunity stronger by doing yoga poses and wonderfully done by Aarti. So would you like to share some? Yeah, Aarti, go ahead.
Yes, first of all, good evening.
Yeah, good
So
evening.
please mute yourself.
Okay, okay.
First of all, good evening, everyone. I would like to share my view regarding yoga. So I would say that yoga is something that not only beneficial for our body, but it is also beneficial for our mind. Yoga is just like another activity, like going walk for a 30 minutes in a park and doing hardcore exercise. We have been stuck in this corona at our home. If I talk about myself, I have been at my home since 2020 February, and it is more than 1.5 years. So it is a very natural thing, and one can develop anxiety and a depression. So yoga is the best thing that one can gift her or himself to increase immunity and to remove stress. Stress increase blood pressure, and also there might be imbalance breathing. And breathing issue means coronavirus is dangerous and it is totally related to breathing. So with the combination of yoga, meditation, and breathing, it is the best thing you can give yourself. And yoga will bring a different kind of flavor and different kind of benefit its own way. One can do yoga anytime. It is not just like we have to do in the morning only. We can do at noon, at night also. And all the people, different kind of age can do. It is not like that old people cannot do or young people cannot do. Everyone can do the yoga. It will increase your immunity, and it is challenging for us to be in the same place for this much long period. So it will help you to reduce your stress. And all we have understood in this period that mental health is very much important for our survival. Mental health, physical health is also important, but we cannot underestimate our mental health. So with the help of yoga, your mental health, your soul, your body will be healthy. And it is very simple. One can apply by practicing. So thank you very much for listening me patiently, and that's it from my side. Thank you.
Very well said, Aarti, that the yoga help to mental health plus physical health. Very well said. Sakshi, can we go for next photo? Yeah, so it is about the smoking. So younger generation are doing smoking like for showing a coolness. So it is. Would you like to share, Amit sir? In
Yeah. Generally, right nowadays, people are from the small age. They are having the habit of either tobacco, either a cigar, or anything. So I would like to just point out on a few things. Like with I have written that 2 3 शायरीज on it. Like इस खाक से बनी चीज भी टूट जाती है तो कोशिश करने से पड़ी लत भी छूट जाती है. It means that like whatever the cigar is having the tobacco in between, and when you are enjoying that time, but that would be affect your body, and that would be come into the cancer, and more of your life would be become a shorter. Or you can see that if you would like to live a longer younger life, I specified that it is longer younger life, then you have to stop your smoking. Because when you start smoking at the age of 20 or either 15, you will be more older when you are at 30 or 40 look like, or either a body wise or either a health wise. So one can see that like इससे बेचने वाला बन जाता है माला माल, but पीने वाला बन जाता है ठन ठन गोपाल. So that is the right true words would be written in that, that you have to be cure yourself, your body, And as Aarti has stated that the yoga is very much helpful to the body, so you have to start the yoga. So you will be, when you start yoga also, you can change your habits either because of the mental peace. So, and there is one more thing which maybe I would like to add, that sometimes people who are going into the gym, they are not more flexible than who are doing the yoga. So that is the strength of yoga, and that would be a younger life. And thank you so much.
Yes, very rightly said. And cigarette is very dangerous during a COVID too because it's affect the lungs directly. So yes, and Aarti shared very nice thoughts, and you too. Thank you so much, Aarti. Thank you so much, Amit sir. Should we
Thank you.
go for yeah? Should we go further, Sakshi, for next video? So it is photo shared by Dhanvi. So would you like to focus on it, Dhanvi?
Dhanvi,
I
are you
guess
here?
she will be not available, or she might be somewhere. So this is the photo shared by Dhanvi, in which they are providing the food to the who need it, right? So this is a part of social work, and this is a very good initiative taken by her. So we should appreciate her effort, and we have to take inspiration from her.
Yeah, I think they are the NCC cadets. They are into the NCC cadet, because of we can see that the green scarf would be there. So they are doing the NCC people who are obviously doing on a regular interval basis with the social work with the needy people, whatever the either food, shelter, or either the clothes. So that would be a very much inspiration to all of us, that whenever we are getting the time, we have to take a time for that, who are the people which are needy. Either the time investment is also very much helpful in the organization and as per our life also.
Very truly said by Amit sir and Sakshi too. So it is a image of NSS, and we should do take initiative for needy people. So we should help them. Yeah. Next video, please, Sakshi. Yes, so this video is about animal love. So it is shared by Mansi Kumar. Thank you so much, Mansi, for sharing this video. Would you like to focus some spread light on this? Mansi, are you there? Yeah.
Okay, okay, no worries, no worries.
So anyone from audience would you like to share their views?
Everyone
And
knows that they are very much loyal to us, and you can see that we people are not loyal than the animals are, because when we are carrying them, we will be given return back to us. Either you can say the dog, cat, or either a wild animal of just like a lion or the tiger also. So they will definitely given back to us a double than whatever we cash. So always we have to love the people, but because when we are wild, then they will be definitely more wilder than us. So when we care them, they are carrying us more than us.
yes, truly said, very truly said, Amitji. Yes, next video, please, Sakshi. I think it was a very wonderful video made by Dhruvin. Please, you can elaborate.
Yeah, first of all, as you all see the message in this video, we feel many times if we are thirsty and we want to drink a water, we fill a full glass of water and just drink one or two sip and spill the rest of water. This little thing, we can say this little thing, we can say कि उसकी इफेक्ट आगे जाके बहुत बड़ी हो सकती है. अभी हम जो स्पिल कर रहे हैं वाटर, वो किसी और को पीने के लिए मिल भी नहीं रहा है. अगर हमें मिला है तो हमें उसको सेव करना चाहिए, और हम इसी तरह उसका वेस्ट करते रहे तो कई सारे ऐसे भी देश है कि वहाँ पानी पीने के लिए उन लोगों को कितने माइल तक चल के जाना पड़ता है और पानी तभी जाके मिलता है. तो हम सबको पानी की अहमियत समझनी चाहिए और उसका कैसे इफेक्टिव यूज करें वो देखना चाहिए. और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि अगर ये हम हैबिट हम अपने घर में लाए और सभी मेंबर्स को भी ऐसा सिखाया कि अगर आपको आधा ही घूंट पानी पीना है तो आप आधा ही ग्लास भरो, अगर आपको फुल ग्लास पीना है तभी आप फुल भरो. या थैंक यू.
Yeah, I would like to say something like जल को ना करो बेकार, जल बिना मच जाएगा हाहाकार. जल है जीवन का आधार, इसे व्यर्थ करके करो ना बेकार. बिकॉज यह प्रकृति का बहुत बड़ा अनमोल उपहार है, सो इसे हमको बेकार नहीं जाना चाहिए.
यस सर, राइट राइट अमित सर, थैंक यू ध्रुवीन, थैंक यू अमित सर. एक्चुअली जो वेस्ट पानी होता है, अगर हम उसके कम से कम वेस्ट करें, अगर फिर भी वेस्ट होता है तो हम उसको पेड़ पौधों में भी डाल सकते हैं ताकि वो भी ग्रो करेंगे और वो हमारे लिए बेनिफिट रहेगा. काइंडली डू द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Very sweet video shared by Sakshi. It is saying that grandparents are the actual assets of the family. Without them, the family tree would not be stable. So it is very wonderful message. So anyone from audience would like to share their views?
I would like to add something. I put this video for the reason that we have seen so many elders who are living in old age. So अभी जो कोरोना की सिचुएशन हमने देखी है, उसमें 15 दिन अगर क्वारंटाइन हमें अकेला रहना पड़ रहा है तो भी हम देख रहे थे कि कितनी मुश्किलें आ रही थी. तो एक बार हम उनको ओल्ड एज अगर छोड़ के आए तो फिर उनको पूरी ज़िंदगी अकेला रहना पड़ता है. सो प्लीज़ डोंट डू दिस. उनको आपसे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, बस थोड़ा सा प्यार और शांति चाहिए घर में. सो प्लीज़ डोंट डू दिस. थैंक यू.
Yes, we can feel in this video like you were spending, matlab, time with grandmothers and grandfather. It was wonderful video. Yeah. So we can go
And
ahead. Yes,
I
yes.
also want to add one thing, that what I got one message in that video, that her grandmother blow the candle with the newspaper. In this corona time, that is very much important thing, because we have read in newspaper that because of if a corona positive person blow the candle, so who eat cakes also get positive. So it was a wonderful message in that video also.
Yes, thank you, Sakshi. Thank you, Aarti. So let's move further for the next video.
सो गाइस द पर्पस या फिर आप बोल सकते हो मोटो ऑफ दिस वीडियो ये है कि अगर आप किसी का अच्छा करते हो कोई भी आदमी के लिए सो आपके लिए भी अच्छा होगा और जो आदमी का आप हेल्प कर रहे हो जिसको आप पॉजिटिविटी स्प्रेड कर रहे हो या जिसको आप लव शेयर कर रहे हो सो उसको उसके लाइफ में भी अच्छा टाइम कटेगा क्योंकि यू नो एवरीवन नोज द करंट सिचुएशन सब लोग अपने बहुत टफ टाइम्स से जा रहे हैं सो इफ़ यू आर फॉर्चुनेट इनफ अगर आप ऑलवेज हेल्प करनी चाहिए ऐसे लोगों की सो आज मैं जा रहा हूँ एक ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पे डेली वर्कर्स जो काम करते हैं ना वो लोग वहाँ पे मतलब अपना काम ख़त्म करके आते हैं सो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर सम फूड विद देम और उनके बीच बांटूंगा एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस.
I think Janmeja is not here. So yeah, so the same message which earlier we had reciprocate regarding when the people are hungry or the needy people who are looking for the food. So this is the good message that when we feed someone, so we can get the same feeling, inner feeling that we had done something good work. So God will bless us for the same, and they bless everyone that nobody should be sleep hungry, and they can get always a food before a night.
Yes, right, Amit. Thank you so much. Can we move further for next video? Kajal, would you like to elaborate?
Yes, I would like to elaborate. In my bachelor's, I used to participate in NSS. So we had a tree plantation at a village. So this is the photo of that tree plantation. So yeah.
It's very good initiative actually. During pandemic, oxygen level is also down, and we need a clean environment in this current situation. So it is great work.
Yeah, exactly.
Kindly share next video, Sakshi, please.
Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Nope. Yep.
By seeing this video, we can see that this is the perfect reel. We can say that it should be on the topmost priority. So we can tell to elaborate something about this video. Aarti, please, you can share.
Yes, I would like to say something in this. Thank you. In this video, I have tried to give 2 3 messages in this short video. The first message was we all think that India is not very much clean, but who make it dirty? We all make it dirty. If I'm sitting in the balcony, if I'm eating, so I would not make effort to go and throw my trash in the dustbin. I would people throw it outside the balcony. So like this, they make dirty road and it create bad image in the world also that India is not very much clean. The second thing I was tried to tell that if we want to go near location, if it is only 1 kilometer or 1.5 or 2 kilometers away, and if we can go by foot, so we should do that because if I have seen in my society that if people want to go outside the gate, still they will use vehicle. And if your friend or your colleague is living near to you and you both want to go same destination, either using two vehicles, use only one. By this, we can reduce pollution and environment would be clean. Third message I was trying to give that save water. Uh, uh, many a time it happens that we forget to turn off a tap एंड बूंद बूंद से ही दरिया बनता है ऐसे ही अगर पानी वेस्ट होता रहेगा तो बहुत सारा पानी वेस्ट हो जाएगा सो माय मैसेज वाज टू सेव वाटर check twice before leaving the tap that if it is turning off properly or not. And the last message was about wearing mask. In the initial stage of coronavirus, we used to wear mask properly. We all were so much afraid of this corona, but gradually we was taking it very lightly. Like we are wearing mask because police don't see us and if we don't have to pay a fine. So when we see the police, so we just take our mask on the nose and many a time we have seen all the vendors and the store person who is managing the store, they are using mask very badly. And same thing goes with the helmet. People don't wear helmet for their safety. They think like इधर सिग्नल नहीं है तो चले जाते हेलमेट बिना सिग्नल आया तो हेलमेट पहन लिया सिग्नल गया तो हेलमेट निकाल लिया but they don't understand that wearing helmet will cost you nothing but not wearing helmet will cost your life एक हेलमेट आपकी जान बचा सकता है so keep this in mind and follow if you can. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aarti. You said very well. You gave a lot of message in one video. That is wonderful. And thank you so much. Yes, yes, yes.
We thought that these things are very small, but if we are taken care of these things, this will matter a lot. लाइक हम सोचेंगे कि एक ही बार तो जाना है पास में ही है एक बार मैं व्हीकल लेके चली जाऊंगी क्या ही हो जाएगा बट एक एक बार करके वो फिर ज्यादा हो जाता है राइट सो वी शुड फोकस ऑन दिस थिंग्स थैंक यू
Yeah, and Sakshi.
Yes, Praveen.
Yeah, we youngster have this one bad habit. We can say, कि if we want to go any nearer place also, then we also used to go with vehicle. Let's kickstart and self-start, and then we roaming around. But I recommend that if you are able to walk, then strictly choose walking. Thank you.
Yes, very well said by Dhruvan, and I also like to add that किसने ऐसा बोला है कि अगर नजदीक में ही जाना है तो आपका एक्सीडेंट नहीं हो सकता नजदीक में भी जाओ still there is chances of accident so wear helmet it is for us only.
मैं मेरा ही एग्जांपल देता हूँ हेलमेट का कि मैं और मेरा फ्रेंड यहीं पे पास में ही जा रहे थे, बट हेलमेट नहीं था मेरे फ्रेंड के पास। मतलब मेरी ही बाइक थी बट मेरे पास नहीं था, वो तो हेलमेट पहनता था। तो वो चला रहा था बाइक और हम दोनों गिरे। तो उसका उसका सर है ना पत्थर पर टकराया, तो वो अभी भी हॉस्पिटल में है। तो हेलमेट नहीं पहनना, नज़दीक जाना, वो फिर भी ये चीज़ दिखाता है कि भाई हेलमेट तो कितना ज़रूरी है। तो
राइट राइट।
हेलमेट तो पहनना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
हम हमारी आलस की वजह से भी कभी कभी नहीं पहनते, अवॉइड करते, तो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए। थैंक यू ध्रुविन, थैंक यू आरती, थैंक यू साक्षी एंड थैंक यू श्रेय फॉर शेयरिंग योर व्यूज। थैंक यू सो मच। तो
वो
काइंडली
2 मिनट
प्रेजेंट।
लाइफ को बचा सकती है, यस वी कैन
राइट
से
राइट।
दैट।
थैंक यू। तो काइंडली प्रेजेंट द नेक्स्ट वीडियो साक्षी।
हाय, मैं कोरोना वायरस। शक्ल पे मत जाना, बहुत लेजी हूँ, इसलिए लोग बोलते हैं कुछ करोना करोना करोना, और फिर कोरोना मेरा नाम पड़ गया अभी। बस करोना 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 ही करता रहता हूँ। कभी बोले यहाँ जाओ, कभी बोले वहां जाओ, यहाँ से वहां जाओ, यहाँ से इधर जाओ, बस वर्ल्ड टूर करता रहता हूँ अभी तो। और ऐश हो गई है। हाँ, आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, मुझसे छुटकारा पाना है तो 25 सेकंड हाथ धोइए, मास्क पहनिए, सस्ता वाला ना, N5 NT जो भी आता है वो मास्क पहनना पड़ेगा आपको। हाँ, मेरे को ठंडे खून वाले नहीं पसंद है, गर्म खून वाले पसंद है। तो मैं कहाँ जाता हूँ, जहाँ जहाँ पे बूढ़े हैं, बच्चे हैं, जिनका इम्यूनिटी कम है, बहुत पसंद है मुझे वो। जो लोग ध्यान रखते हैं, इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाते हैं, ठंडा खाते नहीं है, विटामिन सी लेते हैं, जो रेसे वाले खुराक है जिससे मुंह बनाते हैं वो खाते हैं, तो मैं वहां से दूर रहता हूँ। छींक आती है तो 5-6 फीट दूर रहिए, क्योंकि मैं उतना कूद नहीं सकता। हाँ हाँ हाँ। तो ये सब चीजें ध्यान रखिए, मैं नहीं आऊंगा वापस आपके पास। बट हाँ, कुछ ऐसा वैसा कर दिया तो जरूर वापस आऊंगा, जैसे डेल्टा वायरस आ गया। बस ऐसे ही प्रिकॉशन करते रहिए, अगर मुझसे छुटकारा पाना है, नहीं तो फिर भरत मिलाप करके तो आप ही आ जाऊंगा। बस सी यू सून विद द डेल्टा वायरस कोरोना।
Such
वेरी
a
वंडरफुल।
wonderful video by Amit ji. We can say
बिल्कुल,
that
विथ लॉट्स ऑफ
adding,
इंफॉर्मेशन।
yes, with
इसे
adding
कहते हैं
precautions
ऑलराउंडर
and all.
परफॉर्मेंस।
Yes,
यस।
सब जगह
yes,
पर
yes,
ऑलराउंडर।
exactly. Yeah, please, Amit ji.
And not to more say, but everyone's understood that this is regarding the coronavirus precautions. So I just make whatever I had able to do it with the funny things, and just thought it and do it. So everybody should be at least at the last get the smile after the serious talk. Thank you.
It was great video. Thank you so much, Amit sir, for taking initiative and making video on current affairs. Thank you so much.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Sakshi, kindly present the next video.
देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदे, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए ये तारे जमीन पर।
Yes, the video present by made by Dhanvi, so it is very wonderful and it is like what Janmaja is done. Like बांटने से बढ़ता है, बांटने से कम नहीं होता है. So that message came from Dhanvi, so it is very wonderful. So Dhanvi, would you like to add something? Or anyone from audience can share their views on this video.
या यस हेमांगी, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू से आप अगर कुछ किसी को दे रहे हैं, it is not like just giving. It is all about sharing your smiles and get some smiles in back, and sharing your positivity and get some positivity in return. Yeah.
Yes, rightly said.
आपको भले ही कुछ फिजिकल आप कुछ शेयर करेंगे तो आपको कुछ फिजिकल नहीं मिलेगा, बट एक चीज़ है कि आपको एक इनर पीस और एक शांति और सुकून मिलेगा, जो मतलब आपको पीस मिलेगी वो आपको एकदम मतलब आपकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत ही बढ़िया रहेगा वो चीज़।
Yes, right. Blessing भी मिलता है सामने से. Yes, thank you, Shrey.
वो सबसे ज़्यादा कीमती है इंस्टेड ऑफ मनी।
Yes, right. Very
बढ़कर
right.
मनी से बढ़कर ब्लेसिंग्स है. Yes,
I would like to add something.
yes, please.
Dhanvi mentioned this thing that no one is born poor, right? So if we have something extra, why don't we share with someone? Like it's like a sharing happiness with other, right? So if we can share happiness and positivity, we must do it.
Yes, very true.
Yeah,
Very
truly
true.
say. See, I since last 3 years, I would like to share my experience. Maybe everybody had seen that Paresh Rawal picture.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
in that, we are having lots of messages they had given to us that if you will be giving to the milk to the Shankar Bhagwan temple, or either you will be put the whatever the rice or whatever the things would be on the shivling, or either when you are going to the other temple, you are doing that. So before that, I was doing that, and after that, I stop it. Right now, what I am doing it. I am doing it, whatever the milk I have to give it to the Shiv temple, whatever the milk I have to give it to Shiv temple, that would be I will give it to the poor people. Or whatever the food I have to give it to the that Maharaj or someone else, that will give it to the poor people. So I would be very happy that someone will be eating in that things from whatever the I am giving to that, because of that hunger would be fulfilled, and he will be happy because when we see the smiling face of them. So this is the message which I learned before 3 to 4 years ago, and right now I'm following that. So I would be very happy in that case.
Yes, thank you so much, Amit sir, for sharing your views. Because that OMG movie learned a lot from to us, and you are doing such a great job. So we appreciate your work and keep doing in future too. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sakshi, you too, for sharing your views too. Yeah, thank you, Amit sir. Kindly move to the next video.
Hey guys, meet my buddy Snacky. I know, bit poisonous name, but it is a snake plant. What other I should call him? Kind of crazy, huh? Well. This is all our my another family, like my close friends. Taking care of them makes me happy, and also they give me fresh air, so I keep them close to me. Look, those little leaves is not just a green leaves. It's a small happiness. Reasons to grow, reasons to smile, and they are more alive like a human. Plants, tree, whatever we call them, they are more human than us. It's just not a wood and leaves floating on the land. It is a live thing. Who cares us? The most, even if we abandon them, well, most of the time we do. Don't you think we taken them from granted? Oh, come on. Deep down, you know. Admit it. The reasons I love the nature is that nature loves me first, no matter what. They keeps us alive. More than that, they are the only reasons that we are alive. Look, I'm not here to teach you how to care them, but we definitely should learn how to care them. I'm not gonna say plant a tree, grow a garden, etc. etc. Just one thing. Mama Nature made us. She made us a human. But as a human, we have to show humanity. And caring each other, loving each other like Mama Nature do is the real humanity. Don't you think? Take care.
Very wonderful message shared by Mansi Tuba. So thank you, Mansi. Anyone would like to add anything in this video?
जो
Is
चीज
there
नेचर के बीच में जो खुशी मिलती है ना, वो बात कुछ अलग ही है। जैसे कि आप कोई नेचर के बीच में कुछ जंगल में या कुछ जो पेड़ पौधे है उसके बीच में रहेंगे तो आपको एक वो भले ही हम सब जानते हैं कि वो भी मतलब जीने का हक है उसे, तो हम उसको काटना नहीं चाहिए, बट वो उसके बीच में रह के आपको जो वो हमारे साथ बात नहीं कर सकते, बट हमें उसके साथ एक वो जो अटैचमेंट होता है ना, वो इतना बढ़िया होता है ना कि कई बार हमें लगता है कि भाई ये पेड़ क्यों काट रहे हैं, ये पेड़ इसके अंदर भी जीव होता है तो इसको काट कर क्या मिलेगा। वो एक अटैचमेंट हो जाता है तो आपको अंदर से दुख होता है, बट उसके साथ रहकर आपको जो मज़ा आता है ना, वो बात ही कुछ अलग है।
truly said, Shrey? You know, it's talking to nature like it's talking to means it's feel like heaven. मतलब वो जो खुशी होती है ना, we can't express.
तभी तो अब छुट्टियों में सब कुछ छोड़ के सिटी या सब एरिया छोड़कर सब नेचर के पास जाते हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ पर एक आपको अलग ही फीलिंग मिलती है कि आप सब कुछ छोड़कर एक जगह पर आ गए जहाँ पर आपको कुछ टेंशन नहीं है, आप अपनी ज़िंदगी नेचर के बीच में बिताना चाहते हो, तो वो एक अलग ही फीलिंग है।
Right, right. Thank you, Stay, for sharing your views. Actually, it is true. The nature is like our family, as Mansi said. Yeah. So, can we, or can we share the next video, please? Yes, Rohit, would you like to add something?
Yeah, the video shows, well, we all are having on stress, on sorrows, on disappointments, and lot of negative vibrations around us. But we have the key to remove all this stuff. We have the key in our hand, and the key is smile. You just need to give a one smile to anyone, either you know them or not knowing them. You just give to one smile, and you just get some positivity, some waves of joy, and your day is just awesome. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Rohit.
I would like to add in this, like
Yeah.
we take an example of rose. तो हम जब गुलाब के फूल को देखते हैं तो उसमें कांटे भी होते हैं, बट वी इग्नोर दैट पार्ट एंड लाइक वी only focus on rose, like, right? So we should do that way.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Shakshi, for sharing this and wonderfully said by Amit ji that आप नहीं भूल पाएंगे यहाँ की शाम, ये है बीके, ये है बीके। वाओ, what a शायरी! Yes,
I would like to add something.
yes, yes, please.
Be reason of someone's smile. If you are being reason of someone's smile, feeling would be totally different, and your day would be awesome. And you will always remember that I helped them. They also gives us blessing, and blessing is something that it can't be earned by money. It can be we spend money and we can get a blessing. It is not like that. By helping each other, we can create a good atmosphere. It is like ऐसा नहीं होने वाला कि हमें कभी भी किसी की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ने वाली. If we are seeing accident on the road, so instead of starting our camera and taking video, we should have that. Thank you.
Truly said by Aarti. Yes, thank you so much, Aarti, for sharing your views. Actually, it is very true. Yeah.
Okay, so I would like to add something. I guess taking care of nature is a two-way communication. Like what you share with nature, what you give to nature, you always get back from them. Either a bad or either a negative thing or either a positive thing. What you give them, you get back. So I strongly believe that taking care of nature is also a very good thing for ourselves also as a human. Like Mansi said in her video, like that nature plays a very good role. That's the reason why we are living till now.
Yes, yes. Yeah, you are very right. Yeah, so thank you, Maitri, for sharing your views.
If anybody would like to share their experience, then they may can share here with us. Yes, please, Anmol.
Hi everyone. So the thing which I would like to talk about is mental health. So I have seen that mental health is something which is being ignored by our society from a long time, and nowadays it's a major problem. And we see people, daily on a daily basis we see people committing suicides, or doing suicide attempts. So it's high time that we talk about mental health, we help people around us. And I've seen this, that whenever someone will say that I'm going to a counselor. So people, maybe they won't say it on their face, but inside people are like, okay, this person has become mad, or there's something with the brain, and they're going to a counselor. Now I feel going to a counselor is a very normal thing. Like, we are humans, we have so many emotions and things inside us. We need someone who can listen to it and who can understand that. So in fact, all of us should go to a counselor because if when a lot of emotions get stuck here, there comes a emotional baggage in us, and due to that, people face things like depression and anxiety. They remain stressed. So it's very important to normalize things like going to a counselor. Also, it's important to create a environment around us which is where we can talk to each other, where we can be comfortable about talking about any topic, what we are feeling. If we talk about our family, I think even the parents should create an environment where their child can be comfortable to talk about anything. If, for example, a child is talking about, that I feel a bit low, or so the parents' reaction should not be like this, okay, you must be, tired due to a busy schedule. And no, that's not the right reaction to that. You need to sit with the child, you need to understand, you need to talk with the child, you need to give the child time, that what is wrong with the child, why is the child behaving in a certain manner. So yeah, this is what I would like to say, that as today's youth, it is our responsibility to create awareness against mental health, and to normalize things like, going to a counselor, and also normalize things like talking about anything. Talk to your friends, talk to your family, and just don't keep it inside you, and just be happy. That's the main thing. Just share whatever you feel, and anyone here who feels anything like that anytime can share it with me. I'm always there. Thank you.
Yeah, Anmol, you talked about a very wonderful topic which is actually needed in during a negative surrounding of us, especially in COVID. Actually, people easily judge others like, yeah, he is facing this issue, and people are doing a backbeating. Other than they are not talking with their, they don't be a support. of their friends or their parents. They are just judging anyone. So yeah, it is wonderful topic, and thank you so much, Anmol, for sharing wonderful things
You're
with us.
welcome. You're welcome.
And I would like to share one thing that we are spending a lots of money during our birthday celebration. So we should, what we can do is we can spend money. We can give a present on our birthday to the orphan children who doesn't have a parent. So we can share our positivity, our happiness to them. So it would be create positive things, as well as they can get happiness and we get blessing. So this is my request to all of you, that celebrate your birthday with your friends, but do something for society, for orphan children, so they can also get happiness. Yeah.
Yeah, truly said, Hemangini. It was a great, spreading this with society, and wonderfully we can uh, what we can say that g- what I don't know.
Give and take.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yes, please, Dhruvin.
Yeah. Yeah, I just want to pass a small message that हम सब ये सब कह रहे हैं कि सोसाइटी में इतना सब नेगेटिव स्प्रेड हो रहा है, सोसाइटी किसी और तरीके से कहीं और बढ़ रही है, पर उसके पीछे का मेन रीजन क्या है? उसके पीछे का मेन रीजन है कि कोई इनिशिएट नहीं करता, किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ऐसे बिहेव करता है कि लाइक आप देख रहे हैं कि कोई और जगह पे कोई ट्री काट रहा है, आपको अंदर अंदर में कुछ हर्ट हो रहा है कि ये ट्री को रखना चाहिए, इसको नहीं काटना चाहिए, डोंट कट इट, बट आप वहां जाके उसको रोकते नहीं हो, क्योंकि आपको अंदर में कुछ वो है एलिमेंट कि वो आपको रोक रहा है कि आप वहां मत जाओ, जो होता है वो होने दो। एटलीस्ट वी आर लिटरेट, हमने एजुकेशन ली है, हमें पता है सोसाइटी में क्या होना चाहिए क्या नहीं होना चाहिए। तो मैं यूथ को ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि एटलीस्ट हमें आगे आना चाहिए और एक स्टेप आगे आके सोसाइटी को लीड करना चाहिए। या थैंक यू।
Yeah, thank you, Jyoti. It is very truly said that we should take initiative. We are we have a fear of taking initiative, so we have to remove that fear and we should take initiative so our society can grow better. Yeah. Anyone from audience, would you like to share your view?
Yeah, just like we have to, charity will start with our home. So we all have to take the initiative and we have to do a one good work on a daily basis to